Welcome back. Let us try to understand C++ variables, constants, and other data types. In C++ variables, there are the fundamental building block for a programming. A variable is a named memory location which temporarily stores data that can change while the program is running. How to define a variable? Type and variable name. Example int a, double d, etc. Here int is the type and a is the variable name. Similarly, double is data type and d is a variable name. You can also initialize the variable during declaration time itself. Yes, this is the syntax: type variable name equal to value. Similar lines, example integer a equal to 10, in character ch equal to d. You can declare multiple variables of same type in C++. Similarly, type var1, var2, var3. Example int a, b, c. You can also initialize multiple variables of same type as shown below. Yes. Example int a equal to 10, b equal to 20, c equal to 30, and you have to separate it by these variables by comma. The name of a variable is known as its identifier. Every variable must have a name, but variable name cannot begin with a digit. Case sensitivity. C++ is very much case sensitivity. Whether you use uppercase or lowercase letters really matters. Names are very case sensitive in C++. From keywords to functions to variables, they are all case sensitive. Example int a, int capital A. Both are different variables and both work differently. When you don't want others to modify or override existing variable values, use the const keyword. So const int num equal 10. This is actually const is a keyword, int is the type, and var name is actually num and value is 10. This is the error actually. Once you initialize any const value, you can't modify it. You should always declare the variable as constant when you have values that are unlikely to change. For example, a constant number of hours per day 24, which is actually constant, and const float 5 value will be 3.14. This is also constant. Data types. In C++, if you see, there are three kinds of data types. One is user defined, built-in or primitive data types, or derived data types. User defined data types are structures, unions, class, or enumeration. If see primitive data types, there are integral, integer part, void, and floating part. Integer again, integer, int, and char data types. In float, you can see two kinds of data types. One is float and other one is double. In derived, you can see arrays, pointers, functions, and references. Let us go for the practical example of all these things. Let's cover all those things. Yes, we have seen how to declare a variable like var1, and you can initialize it. You can run and see what the value will be printing here. Similarly, we have already covered like value can be declared and initialized. Yes, ch we have initialized, and we can print and see later. Also, we have covered like how to declare a multiple variables of same type. Also, we covered like initialize the same type of variables. Also, you can declare and initialize in the same fashion. Okay, variable names, as we saw, like same variables are like case sensitive. Actually, in C++, everything is case sensitive. So char a and capital A both are different variables in C++. We'll run this program and see how it works. Yes. Here if you see the variables which we have declared, type variable where 1 is 10, this is 1, and multiple variables declaration also done here, v1 v2 v3 and win slash, and we are printing. Similarly for other variables also we have just printed and made it as a we have just printed all these variables here as well, different types. Actually capital A and small a differs actually as a variable names, and we can see the output here. Also we have to cover one thing called const, also we have declared here. Suppose you want to modify const, it won't allow. Let us compile and see what will happen. In fact this is failed, and this is the error. You cannot assign to a variable that is const, correct? This is what we discussed in our PPT. So this is what actually about variables and data types. Yeah, I think we covered variables, constants, and data types as well. Thank you.